Microsoft's back with smarter AI PCs, new Surface laptops, revamped Windows. Welcome to GadInsider. Let's unpack the Copilot Plus comeback. Longer battery, faster performance, and AI that actually works, all at lower prices. Microsoft's new Surface PCs are turning heads. Want the scoop? Stay tuned. Last year, Microsoft hyped up Copilot Plus PCs, but the AI features flopped and sales didn't soar. Microsoft's learned its lesson. They've relaunched Copilot Plus with a refined vision for Windows 11 and a fresh lineup of Surface PCs powered by Qualcomm Snapdragon X chips. Microsoft shifted focus to what users want: battery life and speed. The new Surface Laptop and Pro boast high-resolution touchscreen displays and beat Apple's M3 MacBook Air in performance, as per Microsoft's tests. The Snapdragon X chips deliver all-day battery and power AI features like recall and live captions, now running locally thanks to beefy NPUs. Windows 11's AI is smarter, with agentic tools that tweak settings based on your commands, as shared on X. These PCs aren't just about AI hype, they're practical. Lower prices make them accessible, and the focus on performance and battery life rivals premium laptops. While last year's Copilot Plus missed the mark, this reboot shows Microsoft's listening to feedback. Available in Platinum, Ocean, and Violet, they're sleek and travel-friendly. With Windows 10 support ending October 2025, these are solid upgrades for a secure AI-ready future. The new Surface PCs look promising, but are they worth your cash? If you need a fast, long-lasting laptop with AI perks, they're tempting. What's your take? Grabbing one or waiting for more reviews? Drop your thoughts in the comments and tell us which feature you're most excited about. And that's Microsoft's big Copilot Plus PC glow-up. If you're hyped for these Surface upgrades, smash that like button, subscribe to GadInsider, and hit the bell for more tech news.